Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a clear package layout and a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, add pip-reject, toml or setup. CFG with name, version, and build backend so tooling can find your package. Make an init. Py to expose the core API. This defines what users import. Make sure to split modules logically and write minimal code examples to test import paths. These steps let packaging tools and import mechanics work predictably as you continue building. Now you configure building, testing, and distribution. Choose a build backend, poetry, flit, or setup tools and declare it in pip-reject. Toml so pip can build a wheel. Once done, add a test suite using pytest and create simple CI that runs tests on each push. This prevents regressions. Make sure package data or manifest. It includes templates, data, or type stubs. Also add a README and license so users understand usage and terms. These steps ensure reproducible builds and quality control. Finish by building distributions and publishing. Run the build tool to create a wheel and sdist, then install locally with pip to verify behavior. Once satisfied, upload to test PyPI, install from there to validate metadata and dependencies, and finally publish to PyPI. If things go wrong, reproduce the failure in a clean venv. Common issues are wrong package layout, missing init exports, or incorrect entry points. Fix those and rebuild. Keep changelog and increment versions for each release to avoid conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.